Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1. Reach. We reach Agra safely. Number 2. Return. Ram does not return at home. Number 3. Pluck. Geeta plucked the flowers. Number 4. Prepare. Mita does not prepare the tea. Number 5. Save. They save their money every day. Number 6. Dry. Mita does not dry her clothes. Number 7. Fly. The birds fly in the sky. Number 8. They. They are repairing their car. Number 9. Open. He opened the door himself. Number 10. Eat. It is very hot. Number 11. Born. Some are born great. Number 12. He. He is my best friend. Number 13. Mine. Those books are mine. Number 14. Learn. I learned my lesson. Number 15. Stole. Someone stole my car. Thank you for watching.